Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Python on your macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open any web browser. Here I am going to open Chrome browser and search on the search bar Python download. And now open the first page. And here click on this download Python with the version and download it. Now double click on it to install it. Click on this continue button. Continue again. Continue. Click on this I agree button. Install button. Provide your Mac password. Finally click on this install software. And that's it. Python is going to be installed in your Mac OS right now. Finally click on this close button. And that's it. We have successfully installed Python in our Mac OS. To check it out, normally open your terminal and type here Python 3 version, and you will see the version of your Python. Here it is. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.